Syria inflation stemmed from the war's disruption of supply and production, compounded by government policies and sanctions. Economy is in crisis, inflation extremely high, over 120% in April 2024. The Syrian pound has dramatically devalued and GDP has suffered a significant decline.
Inflation negatively impacts both demand and supply in the economy. It reduces purchasing power, leading consumers to spend less and prioritize essentials, which decrease overall demand. Syria supply has decreased due to external shocks, primarily the ongoing civil war. Thus, this conflict has led to the destruction of infrastructure, disrupted supply chains, and imposed international sanctions, limiting access to resources while demand for goods like oil may have increased the severe production in supply. Syria inflation has reservedly impacted both household and business household, face reduced purchasing power and increased debt, leading to hardship. Business struggled with high production costs, supply chain disruption, and reduced investment opportunity. Serious inflation disproportionately affects food, energy, manufacturing, tourism, and real estate, exacerbating the economic devastation caused by the ongoing war. Syria's effort to stabilize its economy through economic reforms are severely hampered by war, sanctions, and corruption. Economic measures are a mix of short and long-term strategies, but their effectiveness is severely limited by ongoing conflict. Syria's government response to inflation was ineffective due to the ongoing war, limited resources, corruption, and international sanctions, which hindered the implementation and success of its economic policies. Is key. Otherwise, solutions like stronger social safety nets, infrastructure, investment, and domestic product both are hampered by conflict and sanctions. Future inflation control needs both short-term stabilization and long-term structural reforms, supported by international cooperation and stable environment.